a.m. and I'm on the radio. I'm supposed to call you, but I don't know what to say at all. But this girl, she wants me to take her home. She don't really love me though. I'm just on the radio.
Well, hello there. It's like the worst possible setup. Oh, we have a Bentley. Aw, what are you looking for? My stuff is literally everywhere, so I can't get ready right now. So you're getting me at my Saturday morning best. First of all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are doing the third and final video in my spring cleaning series. If you guys didn't see the other two, I'm gonna link them down below. In the first video, we moved things around and got like a new feel. In the second video, we redecorated and did some DIYs. And then in today's video, this is like the finishing off. Not only like the reorganization and the labeling, but I'm also going to be doing some spring bucket list stuff in this video with you guys. It's gonna be a very spring video, is all I'm getting at. Kind of out of my apartment for over a week now. I'm ready to commit myself to this mess. Let me show you guys what I'm working with. Okay, so first things first, this room is just like there's just stuff. Take everything down. All my furniture is like over here and just basically, they needed to do work in the kitchen and the two bathrooms, so everything is just so messy, so dusty. That's what we're working with. We have a lot to do. If anything, it's kind of just giving me an opportunity to really go through everything. I've been really into the idea of minimalizing my lifestyle and just like only owning the things that I actually use. Now that I'm back, I'm ready to whip this apartment back into shape, get back into a spring mood, just refresh, like hit the refresh button, put everything back in its spot, starting with furniture. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean, I'm gonna sweep, I'm gonna mop, and then I'm gonna move all the furniture back, and then I'm gonna start, organizing and labeling it. If I don't verbally tell you guys what I'm doing, I will pop it up on the screen. Let part 3 commence. Oh my god, it's gonna take me so long.
Warm, her northern clouds paint a storm. She's late July, I'm falling in love with her summer sky. Distant thunder never sounded so good before. July, may I ask you to stay a while more? Her legs are long like a 60s Motown song. Her eyes, they shine like a fancy glass of wine. Her lovely lullabies could comfort a lonely, troubled soul. July, may I grow with you long after I'm old. Oh, July, she slowly fades away from me. She says goodbye as she's walking out the door.
The organizing and the cleaning portion of the spring cleaning. I can't believe it's finally done. I feel so cleansed. I feel so zen. Just even opening my fridge right now or pulling open cupboards, I'm like, I feel like Monica Geller would be proud of. So really quick before we jump forward, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my spring bucket list. There's still a few things that I wanna check off. Going over it right now, I'm just seeing what I still have left to do. Paint with watercolor, plant a garden, bake pancake donuts, grow a vegetable, read 5 new books, go on a spontaneous road trip, do yoga in the sunlight, spring clean and refresh my apartment, go to a farmer's market, and get a tarot card reading. I've obviously done my whole garden series behind me with you guys. I also just got a new plant today, to which I asked you guys on Insta if I should name him Marley or Arlo, and you guys have it on 50-50 right now. But this is him. Anyway, so that's my new plant family. So that one is done. I did bake my pancake donuts.
I'm not sure if I feel things right. If only I could read my mind, I wouldn't cross my fingers. Call me anytime, anywhere, and I will tell you about the sun. Call me anytime.
I spring cleaned and refreshed my apartment. I booked a spontaneous road trip, which if you guys haven't seen my plan with me yet, I'm doing quite a few trips actually in April, but one of them is a road trip that I've planned with Bentley quite spontaneously. Read 5 new books, finish Sacred Powers, and now I'm reading The Power of Now. Grow a vegetable, to which we're gonna get to. We're gonna plant my cilantro herb. Paint with watercolor. Still have to do that. Go to a farmer's market, which I'm gonna be doing on my road trip. Yoga in the sunlight and a tarot card reading. And get a cute spring bike. I actually got an email notification that my bike is ready to be picked up. So pick up my brand new bike, share it with you guys, because I'm gonna need your help naming it. And then I'm gonna try and check off as many things left on my spring bucket list for the rest of this video. Let's plant some cilantro and let's do all the spring things, shall we?
3 little birds sat on my window, and they told me I don't need to worry. Summer came like cinnamon, so sweet. Little girls double dutch on the concrete. Maybe sometimes we've got it wrong, but it's alright. The more things seem to change, the more they stay the same. Ooh, don't you hesitate. Girl, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, lay your hair down. Sapphire and faded jeans, I hope you get your dreams. Just go ahead, let your hair down. You're gonna find yourself somewhere, somehow.
Well, feeling very spring accomplished now. I actually got a lot done off my spring bucket list. Let's keep in mind that I haven't painted in a very long time. If I put a little bit more time and effort and practice into it, I feel like I could create something a little bit better. I also planted my little cilantro buddy. We have to name him. If you guys can think of anything, pop it down below. I'm like impatient about it. I'm like, okay, grow. Like, why haven't you grown yet? Sprout. Cilantro is like my favorite herb. So to be able to actually like, you know, season a dish with cilantro that I grew myself, I feel like that'll be one of the most satisfying feelings. Check that off the bucket list. I cooked some more pancake donuts, which the recipe will be going up on my blog on Friday, so definitely watch out for that. I will be posting it to my Twitter and my Instagram once it's live, so definitely check that out. I'll leave links to those things down below so you guys can be on it with the pancake donuts. You need a pancake donut in your life. I had one this morning with my coffee and while I was reading my book, and like dunking a pancake donut into your morning coffee and then eating it, and it soaks up all the juice of the oh my gosh, it'll change your freaking life. The pancake donut is this random invention that I came up with when I was too lazy to make donut dough and figured why not try pancake mix. Update, it works. So there's still a few things on the bucket list that I'm not gonna get to in this video, but they're gonna be in upcoming videos. Obviously the spontaneous road trip. Bentley and I leave not tomorrow but the next day, so hopefully gonna get my sunshine yoga in that way and getting fresh fruits and veggies from a market checked off the list on that road trip. But as for a tarot card reading, I'm gonna finish off this vlog doing a little tarot reading myself. I've been seeing some requests to talk more about it, so we're gonna finish the vlog off with that. When I get back, Kat and I are actually gonna go to the rock store and get like actual readings done, but I figured for the sake of this vlog, I would pull some cards with you guys, and because I haven't done a tarot reading in a few days, maybe the universe has some backed up messages to send me. Every time I go to do a tarot reading, I always just kind of do whatever feels right in the moment. Like for instance, for some reason, I'm feeling like I need to shuffle 4 times. So I'm gonna shuffle 4 times. And anytime that happens, I've started picking out cards that do that. So while I'm shuffling, if any card flips over and jumps out at me, I take it out of the deck and I figure out what it means. There's the 7 of Cups, which I don't think that's a good indication. Then I'm gonna split the deck into 3 and then combine them. So first things first, I wanna find out why this jumped out at me. The 7 of Cups. I'm still working on memorizing this deck, so I have to go to my guidebook to figure out what it means. Kim Kranz. She said she doesn't really do the whole flipped upside down card thing. When this card jumped out though, it was flipped upside down. Sometimes mean that it's the opposite meaning of what card means itself. So right side up 7 of Cups usually means illusion and deception. The 7 of Cups is not the most welcomed card. Indicates you'll face temptation in many aspects of your life. You'll soon realize that you've been building a house of cards and you may feel as though you can't see clearly. Can't judge right from wrong, up from down. This is the spell of the 7 of Cups. It's best to remove yourself for a while, step back until you can see straight again. That's a little alarming. From actual reading, I'm gonna pull 2 cards. I want to know the root of where my life is at and the direction that my life is going. So those are the 2 cards that I want to pull right now. That's what's popping in my head. So the 2 cards that I pulled for the root of where my life is at right now, I pulled the Father of Wands. For the direction my life is headed, I pulled the Moon. I love this stuff. Like, I love it, but I'm such a beginner. So I always find it really cool whenever I talk about this stuff in videos. Some of you guys are experts at this stuff, give me such good intel and information. So let's find out what my reading says, shall we? The Father of Wands is what I pulled for the root of where my life is at right now. So wands are actually ruled by fire, and they represent your inspiration and your creativity in relation to your ambitions, goals, and dreams. So being that it was the Father of Swords, the actual reading itself means charismatic and creative. The Father of Wands is a man of mystique and charisma. Others are drawn to him naturally, and he welcomes them with an open and loving heart. Usually you'll find him involved in the healing arts, as he's deeply compassionate and in tune with life and nature. He is able to hold steady and still during conflict. So that is apparently the root of my life right now. And then in terms of the direction my life is heading, I pulled the Moon. The Moon means vivid dreams and fears. In many ways, the Moon card encompasses the idea of the wild unknown. It is the shadow realm, the place where dreams, fears, and mysteries are born. Much darkness can linger here, and if you aren't careful, this can lead to periods of anxiety and self-doubt. Many great artists have roamed this inner landscape. It's where imagination and creativity drift freely upon the midnight air. So basically, my life is headed in a creative way, but just be careful. Very interesting. I pulled two cards with moons on them. If any of you guys are tarot card readers, help. I'm actually so excited to bring my tarot deck with me on this road trip, and we'll touch on the rest of this bucket list in the road trip vlog. But aside from that, that completes our spring cleaning series. Guys, I'm sad it's over. So even though this spring cleaning series is officially complete, I'm still going to be doing a lot of spring content on my channel. Videos will still be going up even though I'm away a lot this month. I've made sure to pre-film and get everything done in time. Make sure you guys are following my Instagram and my Twitter if you guys want to stay on top of mine and Bentley's road trip along with the other trips that I'm going on this month. And also be sure to go check out my blog. I posted a 10 reasons why you need to start a plant family down below. Aside from that, thank you guys so much for spring cleaning with me, reorganizing with me, cleaning, decorating, DIYing, planting gardens, doing tarot cards. Like, this is the funnest I've had with a series in a pretty long time. So I think we should just go ahead and confirm that we'll be doing this series again next year. Leave a comment down below letting me know, did you guys do any of the spring cleaning videos or anything within the series? And if you did, also be sure to tag or tweet them at me, because I love seeing the recreations or the inspirations that we all constantly just like pull from each other. And aside from that, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys to the moon and back. I hope you guys are all having a safe and happy Easter/Passover weekend, and I will see all of you guys in Wednesday's video. Bye guys.
Only to wind up belly up on your bedroom floor, innocuous form. I'm underwater half of the day.